Hi friends, it's time for a quick impromptu video here because I have an exciting announcement. I have been wanting to rebrand my website and my YouTube name for several years now, and it's getting ready to happen in the next few days. So I wanted to give you a heads up, say goodbye to the name Scrapping, Stamping, and Stuff, which hasn't really fit what I'm doing for a long time, for several years. I wanted something easier. I wanted something that fits a little bit more what I am doing now. So here's your heads up. My name is going to be changing. If you, and over the next several weeks, my website's going to change, my social media is going to change, all of these things are going to be changing. So if in the process you stop seeing the things that I'm sharing for some reason, do a quick search for my name, Anna Helman, and make sure you're still following. Go give me some likes, give me some comments, and you should start seeing my things again. But we'll make this a fun contest. Do you have any guesses what my new name is going to be? You have a little while here until all of this goes live, but I would love to know if you have any suggestions or guesses what it is going to be. That's all I have for now. The announcements, the changes will be coming here very shortly. I hope you like my new name. It is not going to be totally unfamiliar to you, I will say that. So that's all I have for today. Just wanted to give you a heads up so you don't lose me in the change somehow. So have a great day, everybody.